Hello all, welcome to TECHNO. In the section of working with Python. Today we are going to see how from a list we slice the index of any particular we slice the elements from particular index and then print it. For that we have a program over here. We have sample program. Write a Python program to display the first and last colors from the following list. Color list equals to red, green, white and black. So it should print the first color and the last color according to the sample that we have. So first we'll just copy this list as we are going to use it. So we'll copy this list. Let's get started. For that I'll just paste over here first the list. So we have a variable, a list named color list. Inside we have 4 elements: red, green, white and black. Print the first and last. We take print. To print the string we use %s. Space %s. %s. And then use percentage in the list. Then we have combination of both we want to print. So color list index number 0 and color list index number -1, that is the last element from the list. So we are basically done over here. Our program is complete within the 2 statements. We'll just save the program and we are done. We'll just run the program over here, and as you can see we get the first, that is red, and the last, that is black color in the console window over here. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content from TECHNO. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.